Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Cajun shrimp tacos on the Blackstone Griddle. What we're going to do is we're going to put a nice Cajun rub on some shrimp, we're going to throw it on the Blackstone Griddle, blacken them up real nice, and then we're going to make some guacamole, we'll fry up some bell peppers, and we'll make some nice tortilla tacos. So stay tuned, it's going to be delicious. Let's get to the video. First thing we're going to do is apply the rub onto the shrimp. So what I've done is I've got about a pound of shrimp here, I've deveined it, I've taken the shell and the tail off, and then I prepared a Cajun rub. And this rub recipe is going to be in the description section below this video, so definitely check it out. It's just normal household spices that you have in everybody's home. So I'm just going to apply it to the shrimp. I'll put about half of it in there, and then I'll flip it around, toss it a little bit, then I'll put the rest on. And we'll just make sure it's evenly coated. And there you go. As you can see, everything's all nice and evenly coated. And we'll just leave that on the counter for about 20 to 30 minutes, just to let that salt penetrate into the meat and let those spices really blend in. I'm also going to prepare some guacamole because I don't know about you guys, but I can't eat tacos without some awesome guacamole on them. So I'm going to show you how to prepare my world famous guacamole. So we got 2 avocados here. They're pretty ripe, but they're not too ripe, and they're also nice and soft. So we're going to open those up. I'm going to try not to get guacamole hand. I don't know if you guys have heard about guacamole hand, but when it's when you're holding it like this and you get the knife into your hand. What I'm going to do is just go like that, get the seed out, and then I'll just flick that into the sink there off screen. And now we're going to take a spoon and we're going to spoon out the flesh of the guacamole and just get it into a bowl. Now we'll just put that off to the side because I want to add some onion, so we're going to get half an onion. If you don't like onion, then you can skip this step, but for good guacamole, I recommend some onion. So we're just gonna cut this. All right, there we go. We'll just dice it really roughly, and then we will put it into the bowl. And I'm not crying yet, so that's good. Usually, my eyes are watering at this point. Now we're gonna take some jalapeno. See, now my eyes are watering, of course. But we're gonna take a jalapeno, and we're gonna cut that up as well. You don't have to have this in, yeah, you can see the tears in my eyes. You don't have to have a jalapeno in your guacamole, but I had one in the fridge, so I thought I would add it just for a little bit of extra kick. Now we're gonna do 1 full lime. I'm gonna put a whole lime in there, because I like that limey, acidic taste. All right, there we go. Now we're just going to mix it all together. We'll get a little bit of salt and pepper, and some salt. Coarse grained salt is my favorite, and I like a lot of it. And there we go. So that is our guacamole, and that's what we're gonna put on our tacos when they are done. All right, now that we got the guacamole prepared and the shrimp has been marinating for a little bit, we are going to put these babies on the Blackstone Griddle. So come with me outside, this way. Okay, and we're just going to onto the griddle. This is on medium-high heat right now. We'll evenly space them out, and we'll make sure we cook them for about 1 minute per side. All right, these have been going for about a minute, so now we're gonna flip them over. Get some nice blackening on each side. Guys are done, so we are going to scoop them back into this bowl that I cleaned. Look at that. Woo! Okay, now I've moved these peppers onto the one side of the grill, and I put these tortillas just to warm up. We'll flip those over, just get them nice and soft. Want to warm them up quite a bit. Alright guys, all of the stuff is off of the Blackstone Griddle now. The shrimp is awesome. I just had one and it tastes great. So now we're going to assemble the tacos. So we'll just take these tacos that I cooked on the Blackstone Griddle for a little bit just to get them warm. And then I'm going to put a base layer of some guac down on them. And this is the awesome guacamole that I just made. And then I am going to put some pepper. Put some of this delicious pepper onto it. And we'll get some shrimpies. So we'll get some shrimps going on there. We'll do 3. I want to do a little bit of sour cream. There we go. And I want to do some lime. Look at that. All right, and now the all-important taste test. It's so good. This is so good. It's spicy, it's flavorful. The shrimp is super spicy, and so is the pepper. But the guacamole in the sour cream really takes that edge off and it really balances everything out. The tortillas, so good. Yeah, these corn tortillas, awesome. So this is amazing. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm definitely gonna use the Blackstone Griddle again to cook these up for my family some other day. So I hope you guys found this video useful. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and come watch some of my other videos some other day. Thanks a lot, guys. See you on the trails.